Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on airplane mode for your Oura Ring. So this video is going to be particularly useful for the individuals who are going on a flight. How do you actually go ahead and turn airplane mode on for your Oura Ring? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is hop into your Oura app, and then once you're on this page here, you can reach it two ways. Okay, on the upper right hand corner you can click on your Oura Ring, and then you can click on Ring Airplane Mode as a toggle button, or you can click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand corner and then click on My Oura Ring, and then you'll basically reach the same page. So from here you would click on Ring Airplane Mode and make sure that's toggled on. Now keep in mind that I do think in order to turn airplane mode off, you do need to make sure that your Oura Ring is charging on its charger. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on airplane mode for your Oura Ring. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.